Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So you should open the notification panel and then here on the top bar find the scan QR codes icon just somewhere on the top bar. Just to scan the QR code you should click here once on this icon and here just with your device find a QR code here. Wait a second. And as can you see here we get two ways just to copy this link of this QR code, or also we can just directly open this link in the browser. Click here once and now as can you see we just successfully opened this QR code and this is the link from the Wikipedia. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes on our Samsung Galaxy F23. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.